This is Duke University.
The course is about a cross-species examination of partnering and family behavior. So we look at different family situations from different kind of species perspectives, and I think we're trying to give the students a really broad, interdisciplinary sort of perspective on family.
So the idea of the class is to have a wildly interdisciplinary adventure and bring information, perspectives from all over the university to try to address something that's core to all of our lives, which is dealing with the challenge of being a partner and a parent.
I have had other courses that have been co-taught before, but this was the first class that I had that was co-taught by two professors of completely polar opposite kind of disciplines, and it was interesting and really fun to see them interact. It made me think more about the things that I had known previously and gave me a better idea of like where I stood on the issues that we were talking about.
Each of our own disciplines has a lot to contribute, but we don't have all the answers. And so that's really what we wanted them to come away with.
There are some pretty basic questions about how, in particular, human relationships are organized. And I think we collectively came to the conclusion that there are very few of those questions that any one discipline can answer completely. I've always been very biologically in kind of a biological mindset, and this completely added another dimension to it and helped see how the biology that I had been learning about was influenced by things that were not biological, and kind of how the interplay really was, and I just hadn't really thought about that in an academic setting before. It's just a really fun environment to have 18 incredibly smart Duke students who got into the spirit of the argument. It's a really great opportunity to be able to learn with your students.
I think it was a great experience because it really helped me to learn some of the methods of a field that I was unfamiliar with. And sometimes you'll find that it's really quite interesting what you uncover. And I think it would be very exciting to have courses like this offered in the future.
Produced by Duke University, online at duke.edu.